Users can choose whether or not tool path is generated along check geometry. Open the Create Operation dialog from the Home ribbon, and with type set to Mill Contour, select the Flow Mill Reference Tool subtype. For this example, tool will be set to a 10 mm ball mill and geometry to mill area. Under Main, set the reference tool to the larger 25 mm ball mill. Navigate to Geometry to show the part and cut area. The reference tool will detect areas of the cut area that the larger tool cannot reach to machine them with the smaller 10 mm tool. Clicking on the eye icon next to Specified Check Geometry will visualize the current check geometry, this red clamp in this example. Here, users can choose to activate the Cut Along Check Geometry option. Upon generating the tool path, you can see the areas that were left uncut by the reference tool. With Cut Along Check Geometry activated, the area around the check geometry is machined. After deactivating the option and regenerating the toolpath, that area is no longer output. Being able to deactivate this option is very beneficial because users often don't want to cut along check geometry.